Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking to streamline your social media management tasks? In this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up Hootsuite for social media management in 2023. You will learn how to connect your social media accounts, schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms, and monitor your social media streams. So let's get started. Start with this video. Make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, as you can see, I have added like literally bunch of social medias accounts. They don't really have to be real. Some of them I just added them because I have them. But yeah, this is the point of having like Hotsuite is to manage multiple kind of social media accounts at once. So here, as you can see, I have Twitter, Facebook account. These are three pages. Here, this is a Facebook profile. Here we have a YouTube channel, and finally here a TikTok account. Now, how can we manage each one of these? By using Hotsuite. Is it impossible? No? Well, no, it is actually possible. If I went right over here and I clicked into create, here you can choose to either post, pin, or use YouTube video. So here, for example, let's choose post for now. So here we can post at multiple kind of accounts. Here, let me just click here and show you how many accounts I can choose. So I can choose this Facebook account, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and I can post on all of these accounts at once. So here, this is the initial content, how it's gonna look like. So hello guys, and this is how it's gonna look on Facebook, how it's gonna look on Twitter, and how it's gonna look on TikTok. And then it comes to the point where we are going to add the media files. We can add picture, videos, and GIFs. So let's click here and let's add, for example, this image. TikTok business does not support images, unfortunately, so we have to add like a video. I'm going to add this one. And now we have to wait until it is fully uploaded. Now, once it is uploaded successfully, you can see it on here. So it is now running. We can't really see the video, so they can't, so they don't really have low hosting services, etc. So the video is actually running. If I turned on the volume, it will be heard by me. Here, if I clicked on Twitter, I have to do the same thing, so replicate it on Twitter as well. So here we go. This is the video. I'm going to re-upload it on Twitter. So here it is. It is being uploaded on the Hootsuite, and then Hootsuite will directly upload it on the Twitter. And the same thing goes for the Facebook accounts. So let's leave it there. And here I'm just going to add an image for now. So here it is. It will be added on all these accounts. Now, what's like the plus button that we can get instead of posting on multiple accounts at once? Well, you can actually schedule the post for later on. So here you can click and choose when do you want it to be posted. For example, here it's gonna be posted on July 9th, 2023 by 9 p.m. This is for now. I can change it to tomorrow, the next year, the next month, anything I want, and specify the hour as well. So here you can also choose to schedule 5 of them or one of them, or you can just simply post it in the current time, which is posted now. You can even save it as a draft, post and reuse account, and post and duplicate. So these all are some tools to use while doing it. So here discard post. For your YouTube channel and Pinterest, these are the two options for it. So if you have multiple YouTube videos or multiple YouTube channels, you can simply click on here, upload the video, and it will be uploaded on all the YouTube channels that you have over here, which is a pretty good tool to have, guys. The same thing goes for Pinterest. You can click simply on here, Pinterest, and then pin to connect to Pinterest, add your account, and from there, all you have to do next is do the same thing which we done with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Just upload the content, click on the content, add your website if you'd like to, choose if either you want it to be posted now or scheduled for later, and you will be ready to go. It is not hard, not even complicated, guys. And so as you can see, guys, this is very easy. And guys, as a side note, for those who are having problems using Hootsuite, or as we talk about in this video, are talking about social media. So Reddit also is a social media, if you know. And yeah, Reddit is not really on the list of Hootsuite. So how can you really integrate Reddit? What are the alternative of Hootsuite if it wasn't the best thing for you? That's what I'm going to show you in this part of this video. So now let's talk about first how to connect Reddit with Hootsuite. Well, you can't really connect them together from Hootsuite itself, but what you can do is simply go to Zapier.com, and from this website, all you can simply do is create your account and log into it. Here, find Hootsuite, and the next thing to do. So here we go, Hootsuite. Here we go. Let me just write it right. Hootsuite. Here we go. And here you can just look for Reddit. Just like that, new outbound message, and here you can new link post, app extension, or API request. So this is like an alternative that will help you connect Hootsuite with Reddit. So for example, once you post something on Facebook, Hootsuite will send a message to Zapier, and Zapier will send it to Reddit, and this post that you have posted on Facebook will be posted on Reddit as well. So this is a way on connecting Hootsuite with Reddit, and not only Reddit, any kind of social media that you have in mind. I don't know if there is, like, for example, LinkedIn. Yep, there is actually LinkedIn. So there is bunch of social medias that you might not find on Hootsuite that you can actually connect them together using Zapier. So this is a solution for you. Now, what if you had a problem with Hootsuite? As this guy here is saying, like, he has a problem with Hootsuite, disconnected from Facebook, with no explanation. So people here are actually having some decent answers for this question. Here, this guy is actually using Later, which is a platform to like Hootsuite for his Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Though it doesn't have analytics for Facebook. So yeah, and this is like uh, a decent alternative for Hootsuite, since Hootsuite has the analytics for Facebook here. So there is like a bunch of options here, as you can see in this section of this article. Like there is call schedule, there is bunch of options that can be as an alternative. So guys, if you're interested, really, this is the link of it. So is Hotsuite worth it? Make sure to check it out in case you had any problem with your Hotsuite account. And do not forget, guys, once more, to if you were doing the free trial, don't forget to like cancel it before you get to the date where they are going to charge you, and they are going to charge you with a big amount of money. It was for me about 1k point $800, which is a very huge amount of money for the
Very easy.
startups. And that was it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like. And if you have any questions, I'll make sure to answer all your comments. I will make sure to answer you either by answering your comments or making a new video if the comment was had to be answered by writing. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.